Now let us see digital to analog conversion. So as we know, in case of analog to digital conversion, the analog signal is converted into digital form. So conversely, in case of digital to analog conversion, the digital signal is converted into analog form. So in this section, we are going to study different types of digital to analog converters. Now let us see the basic type of digital to analog converter is weighted resistor digital to analog converter. So this type of converter uses summing amplifier to form a weighted sum of all the non-zero bits in the input world. So here the reference voltage V reference is connected to the resistors by means of electronic switches which respond to a binary 1. The values of input resistances depend on which bit in the world a switch is responding to. The value of the resistor for successive bits from the LSB being halved. So as we can see, the value of resistors in the successive channels is half of the previous value, the previous resistor. Hence the sum of the voltages is a weighted sum of the digits in the work. Such system is referred to as weighted resistor network. Now let us see the most commonly used digital to analog converter is R2R ladder digital to analog converter. Now the limitation of weighted resistor digital to analog converter is, in case of weighted resistor DA converter, we used different values of resistors. So accurate value of resistors with different values must be used. But this limitation can be overcome by means of in this R2R ladder DA converter, where we are using only two values of resistors, that is R and 2R. So in this case, reference voltage is applied to the summing amplifier through again a switch, that is the position of the switch may be either to 1 or 0. When the position of the switch is at 1, then the reference voltage is connected through these resistors to the summing amplifier, and when the switch position is at 0, the reference voltage is not connected to the summing amplifier. So therefore the output voltage is generated by switching sections of the ladder to either the reference voltage or 0 volt according to whether there is a 1 or 0 in the digital input. In this way, the digital input can be converted into analog output in this R2R ladder digital to analog converter.